Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Kuromon Market. Kuromon Market is located in Nipponbashi, Osaka, and has a history of about 200 years. It's known as Osaka's kitchen, and it's loved by both locals and tourists. The market is about 580 meters long and has around 150 shops selling fish, seafood, meat, vegetables, fruits, prepared foods, and famous Osaka street food. One of the best features of the Kuromon Market is that you can eat freshly prepared food on the spot. Fresh seafood, sushi, and fried tempura and especially popular with visitors. Takoyaki octopus balls is another favorite. Recently, some shops has started offering halal food and vegan options to meet the needs of all visitors. As the 2025 Osaka Kansai Expo approaches, Kuromon Market is improving services for international tourists. There are more multilingual signals and menus, and many shops now accept cashless payments. Seasonal events and special sales are also held, making every visit enjoyable and unique. The market is easy to reach, just a few minutes walk from Nipponbashi Station on the Osaka Metro Sakai Suji Line or the Kintetsu Nipponbashi Station. Kuromon Market is a great place to experience Osaka's food culture, and it's definitely worth a visit. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.